Welcome back, Travel Bugs.
Hey.
This is a special video for you guys. It's a thank you and acknowledgement to our good friend Naomi Patterson and her son Blake, who sent us an awesome surprise for Valentine's Day. I know it's March 3rd now.
Yes, we're a little late. We are truly so sorry.
Yeah, we've been just so busy working on travel-related content and also planning the rest of our Thailand trip, which we leave for in less than 20 days now. So please keep a lookout. Yes. But that is not the subject of this video. The subject of this video is this card sent to us by our really good friend and her little baby.
Yes.
And we're excited to see what it holds. I've already done the honors.
Dun, dun, dun.
And now, time to check out what you guys sent us. Oh, it's a cute, it's Blakey.
He is so adorable.
Baby due September 2018.
Yay!
Oh, and there's
Oh,
something
that's
written
so
on
awesome.
the chalkboard. Roses are red, violets are blue. The secret is out. Another baby is due.
Aw, that's so awesome.
You guys are, oh, wow.
Congratulations from
Big
all of
congratulations.
us.
Big congratulations. Oh my gosh. Thank you for sharing this with us like
Yeah,
this.
so great.
This is pretty cool. And it looks like Blake is so happy. Oh my gosh.
He is seriously the cutest.
He's adorable. And I'm sure he can't wait to have a little brother or sister.
Oh, yeah.
Congratulations again, guys. Thank you so much for sharing this with us. Thank you, Blake. You look so handsome. You are rocking it.
Killed it.
Congratulations on your new brother or sister.
Yes.
And for our followers, we'd love to welcome our followers to check out Naomi's page. It's Walk Like Naomi.
And the link is below, so check it out. She does vlogs on makeup, hair, and lifestyle, so check her out. She is awesome.
Yeah. That's it for now, guys. Thank you so much. And thank you again to Naomi and Blake for a
Thank
wonderful,
you.
wonderful surprise. Congratulations again. Mwah.